Here we're working on a 2015 Chevy Impala proximity, all keys lost. We're going to use the Ninja to see what we can do here. So we're going to GM, choose Chevy, and we're going to look for Impala, and it was a 15, so there we go. Smart key. And let's see if we can read the pin off of the BCM. Can't turn the ignition on. We'll see what happens. It's trying to read the pin. There we go, 0531. Continue. Back the keyless system. And let's do add. Start button. Got a chime. It's telling us where to look for the where to put the smart key. This one does have it in the slot down here, and I'm using a X horse prox. This should be the Chevy Flip PEEP system. Continue. There, it automatically turned our ignition on for us. It turned it back off. Our pin was 0. Five, 3, 1. It's going to verify the pin. There's what we had. Continue. Now we're going to have our 10-minute wait, and we'll be back. Here we're back on our 15 Impala. Just configured the system, so now we're going to press the start button. See, it says remote, ready for remote 3. This should change to 4 in a second. There we go. Hit OK. Match successful. Do you want to do the next one? Nope. So we're going to hit that. Switch ignition off. Okay, ignition's off. After pressing OK, pressing the start button for 12 seconds. This should go away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let's hold for 12 seconds again. So 1. And it should come back on. There we go. That's what you want. Green light to come on. Hold the button for 5 seconds. It should turn back off. Press release the start button. We'll do it one more time. Oh, we released it. Okay. All right, so release the start button. We did. Configuring system. Press the start button until the green light comes on. There we go. Now let's configure your system again. Switch ignition off. Ignition's off. Has it been turned off? Yes. Wait 30 seconds. Should be closing out the system now. Okay, step on the brake, start the engine, brake, and it killed it. So just 1 second. Back on the Impala, the battery is really low, so I'm going to let it charge for a second. So let's go ahead and check our remote. It should work. Turn our hazards off, turn this radio off, see what we get here. There you go. 2015 Chevy Impala Prox, all keys lost, programmed with the Ninja, using an X-Force Prox.